So I have a house locker. You see this? My house locker. There's a woman here. It's my woman. She is so beautiful. Now I'm ready to play. Guys, you seen this? I'm ever see that I'm making by myself. Guys, it's my locker. It's house locker I seen before. I love it. Guys, look inside of it. There's some more secrets here. Wow, there's a dress, picture, a color pen, a lotion, and a combing hair. Wow, that pink locker is so beautiful. But I have more. You see this? Yellow, I want. There's a photograph, cell phone, boba, pencil case, lunch bags, two shorts, and t-shirt, and then a wow! Wait a minute. Guess nothing. Just a trick. I mean to the real dishes. Just a mirror. I love it. Guys, is there muddy? Look, guys. Wow, it's a tissue. Here, guys. It's a teddy bear. Pink teddy bear I seen before. So she wants to meet her beautiful dress. I see it before. Is her t-shirt. I stopped because my mom called me. Oh my God. A beautiful dreamer. Guys, look. You seen it? She might be like a dress. Look, guys, it fits for him. Wow, she has the shoes too. It is so pretty. Wow, I like my Roblox. This is a house locker with Roblox. I like it. I like it. There's a teddy bear too. She might be like teddy bear. Oh my God, she got it. The teddy bear, she might be here. Oh my God, I love it. Might. Oh my God, she need a poop. I need to fast to put the bear and get a tissue. Here's a tissue. Gonna get bye. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I stop it. Wow. Tee. The tissue she will be might the poop here. Disgust. Oh my God. She might dressing again. She don't like this now. Oh my God. She likes green color, but I like pink color. She might be this shirt she wanted. Medyo. Wearing now. She might be this green t-shirt with a bone. Oh my god, she was so pretty. I think she wants a lotion. She might be. Look guys, I will put in for him. Da 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 da. Now John, time to put in. Now she wants to comb her hair. Look guys, she get it. You know how to create this? Keep on trying. I love it. A big hair she wants. She has a long hair. Wow. Guys. Oh. Done. Now she miss her mom. She like it. Her mom is here. She miss her mom. She is in the Manila and she don't go here. Here is her mom. She loves it. She get it. She was so beautiful. She might be color pen. There's a color pen. She wants to color. She get it now. So she wants YouTuber. Oh my god. She play a YouTube now. Oh my god, that was so pretty. I watched them. Oh my god. She watched YouTube, but it's loading. Later. Now she wants a photo. Photo for her friends. Hey friends, you want to photo? Yep. Wow! Oh my goodness. I need to put this photo now. She wants lunch box. She get it. There's a title here. Hello. Hola. Konnichiwa. Oh my god. There has a hello. And this will go open it secret. Here you go. It's open now. Wow. You see it? That was so perfect. Done. Now she might be a pencil. Her pencil is small now because she is all day, every day at the school. She might be like this. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a sharpener. Not that. Not like this. The falling Steve will never be saving. Oh my god, she's writing now. Oh my god, she has a bigger, I don't know. She has a eraser. Now she done. Wow, I like it. She like it. I'm gonna put here this eraser too. Done. Gotta put this in house locker. She wants to drink a boba. She like it. It's my sticker, bro. Bro, you like a sticker? Or no? Not really. You see this locker? No. You see this locker? It's locked for me. Soon it will be open now. So she is bye-byeing us the burial. Bye-bye. Now guys, click the YouTuber and bye-bye for me. Bye. Oh my god, did you bye-bye for me? Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so perfect. My Bobby is not here. You see it? You see there is a hand? I hide it. Look guys. There is a hand in the hair. Here she is. I hide here. Look guys. Hide this pink one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bye bye.